Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Oziva Glutathione Builder. This is a 100% plant-based supplement designed to naturally enhance your skin's brightness and overall health. It works by helping your body build its own glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. Key ingredients like N-acetylcysteine, milk thistle, and alpha-lipoic acid work together to reduce pigmentation and improve skin radiance, giving you a healthier, more glowing complexion. For optimal results, it is recommended to take 2 capsules daily. The best time to consume these is on an empty stomach in the morning. To maximize absorption and effectiveness, try to incorporate them alongside a protein-rich diet. Consistent use for at least 3 months is often suggested to observe the most significant benefits for your skin. Oziva Glutathione Builder is generally well tolerated, being a plant-based product with no commonly reported side effects. However, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any pre-existing medical conditions, it is always wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Remember to store the capsules in a cool, dry place and strictly adhere to the recommended dosage of 2 capsules daily. To truly maximize the benefits of your Oziva Glutathione Builder, consistency is key. Aim for daily intake over at least 3 months. Complement your supplement routine with a balanced diet, rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, which further supports skin health. Additionally, staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day will help maintain skin elasticity and overall radiance, enhancing the product's effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.